Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel One Two Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to download CapCut app in your Android. So let's get started. At first let's get into Play Store app. So here it is. So let's tap on this. Now search for CapCut in your search bar. So here it is. So here you can see the CapCut app. In the right side we can see this option called install. So let's tap on this. Now it's installing. Installation process can take few minutes. We need to wait till the installation completes. So now installation is completed. We can see this open option over here. We can simply tap on this to open the CapCut app, or in the home page as well you can see the app. So here is the CapCut app. So this is all you need to do to install CapCut app in your Android. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.